So I'm working on drilling the holes for the front motor mounts. So these are the mounts came with the engine, and then these are the mounts that I made. And these I made out of Douglas fir, and then I think earlier videos I showed how I sandwiched this in with aluminum plate, and then this side goes up against the stringer, and I'll show that here in a little bit. This was a fill-in epoxy because I got a gouge in that. But anyway, so I have this first hole drilled, and I'm about to drill this second hole for back here. Okay, so I've got both of these engine mounts drilled to accept bolts for those motor mounts. I don't have one just kind of sitting down in there for now. But again, these are going to be, I'm going to get, like I mentioned in the last video, grade 8 bolts for these, and then also for these. Now these I actually have stainless, but grade 8 bolts are actually stronger. So plus stainless against aluminum is kind of not good as far as galvanic corrosion. I don't know about, of course I'll probably end up putting some kind of coating or a little bit of paint over it anyway, but grade 8 bolts are stronger. So anyway, I've got this one done. That was the one I did first, and then the other side is also done. I guess I'll show the port side. It's kind of hard to see actually. There's the port side down in there. You can see I got a bolt down in there. This one was a little trickier because I had to work around fuel pump assembly and stuff. So the other thing that I did do is when I pulled these mounts, the pins completely out, and I put some WD-40 on them. I probably will pull them out again and maybe put some silicone type spray on them just to help, because when I line the engine, it'll be good for those to be able to move a little easier. So plus just for long-term maintenance, it's better to have something like that coated, help that from getting stuck over time in case I ever need to do some adjustments. So, but I'm glad about having these the holes drilled in those front edge mounts now. It's a big milestone for me.